Can you point to any other place in the code or any other time in history where that phrase, together, regulate importation, has been used to confer tariff-imposing authority?
And I'm wondering what exactly, which powers you're speaking of there, because tariffs, one would naturally think, are the power to impose taxes, the power to regulate foreign commerce. These are not things that are thought of as Article 2 powers. They are quintessential Article 1 powers.
That at least includes qualitative methods, quantitative methods, quotas, licenses. They can see that regulate. There's a lot in regulate that's not spelled out there.